boy.
They call me Burner.
Platinums.
Now you they make me sit down, they sing this song. Gala gala, you can't they make.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be about my rice water result. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about my rice water result and experience and all I think you need to know about this rice water. So I'm talking from using rice water for just 5 weeks. Somewhere in this video I'm going to insert a clip of me showing you guys my result, a before clip and after clip, so you guys will tell me what you think. First thing I want to clear off is that some people actually say that it smells, like most people say it smells, and using it the first 3 to 4 times I did not experience any bad smell, but when I used it the 5th time I kind of noticed, like, you know, that there was a smell. I don't know how managed, but I was actually using the same rice, but I don't know, it's not that bad to me, honestly. It's not that bad. So using the rice water, what I do, I'm going to go through my routine with you guys again. What I do is that I ferment my rice water for 24 to 48 hours. I do it 1 or 2 days. Sometimes I do 1 day, sometimes I do 2 days. And after fermenting the rice in the water, I take off the water and I apply it on my hair. I pour it on my hair and I cover my hair with a clean foil and I let it sit for about 1 hour. Nothing less than 1 hour. Then I wash it off and wash with my shampoo and my conditioner. Coming from someone that has a very slow hair growth, I surprisingly noticed a little hair growth on my hair. And also the most important thing to me, like something I really love about this rice water, is the fact that it reduces shedding. Like the way my hair used to shed like crazy, but since I started using rice water, my hair hardly sheds, and I am so surprised. And my hair is very thick, like it's way thicker than it has ever been. So I believe that rice water is part of the reason why, you know, it's actually not shedding and it's retaining its length a little bit, you know. So if you're not using rice water, I advise you to try it. You know, if you try it, like some of you advise you put some oil, essential oil or something like that in the rice water if you don't want to perceive the smell or whatever. But you know, I think rice water is very, very necessary when it comes to natural hair care, you know, to give you that fuller hair, or if you're looking for length to help grow your hair, you know, a bit faster. So that is what it's going to be, guys. I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip showing you guys before and after. Just let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, if you've used rice water before, if you're still using it, or if you don't like it and you don't want to use it at all. So that's what's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also share my video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Hey, he's body baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl,
Ghana girls go bum bum, shaky a bum bum bum. Like in your package, feeling the package, making the boys do no no no. Anti-KG go down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this beautiful, very quick and easy hairstyle. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful simple style. I only used 2